Introducing the Ctronics Solar Battery PTZ Wireless Security Camera. Specifications include a solar-powered fully rechargeable battery, PIR and radar detection, 355-degree pan and 90-degree tilt, two-way audio, and IP66 waterproof certification. The 14,400 mAh rechargeable battery provides long-lasting operation. And with the included solar-powered panel, your camera will be charged throughout the day, further extending the battery life. The PIR and radar detection functions can spot motion day or night.
What are you doing?
Automatic notifications directly to your mobile device help keep your property secure 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Colour night vision provides a crystal clear image of your home day or night. With two-way audio, you can speak with visitors from any location via your mobile device.
Hi, Mum! Hi, welcome home!
Ctronics, your world just a tap away.